Hello and welcome to the Novice Coder. My name is Josh, and today we're going to be starting a new multi-part series where we learn to build a blog using Laravel and VueJS. Today's video is part 1, and we are going to get Laravel installed and get the Git repository running for our project. Let's roll that intro. Alright, for starters, we're going to need to get our base code Laravel in place. We did a previous video on installing Laravel with XAMPP, so that's kind of the setup we're going to be using for this video and this series, I guess I should say. So basically, we should be able to go to our command line window. We're going to go to the directory that we need our project to live in. We're going to be able to say Laravel new, and we're going to call this blog tutorial. And then it is going to spin a instance of Laravel up. Alright, and now that Laravel is installed, we are going to go ahead and cd into that directory and verify that Laravel installed correctly. So let's see, we are blog tutorial, I believe is what we called that. Yep. So we should be able to do PHP artisan serve. And we should be able to go to that URL now. What was it again? 127.0.0. Was it 8,000? Yes, it was. Port 8,000. And here we can see that Laravel installed correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and kill this for now. Now that that is installed, we are going to go ahead and get our GitHub repository set up. So I've already got GitHub open here. So basically we'll come in here, create a new repository. We're going to call this blog tutorial. Leave the description blank for now. We're going to make this repo public, so in the future everybody watching or anybody else will be able to access this and kind of view what we've done here. We won't add any of this stuff because skip this step if you're importing an existing repository, which we are. So we'll go ahead and skip that for now. All right. Now that this is set up here, we need to follow these few little steps right here. Or wait, push an existing repository right here. But basically we need to do initialize git for start. So git init. You'd think I would have been more prepared. I did not have Git installed on my machine. So now that Git is installed, let's circle back. So we got to do git init. Initialize the empty Git repo. We're going to go git add all. Period stands for all. So we're going to add all of the files in. Then we're going to do git commit, M for message, and we're going to say initial commit. All right, we now have that committed. Now we should be able to, let's see, git remote, add origin, and our origin is, we're doing HTTPS for now. Right click on Windows for paste. There we go. And then we should be able to do git branch m main based on what they're saying, and then git push u origin main. Then you'll get this sign in with your browser option. We are going to authorize. Ooh, perfect. Gotta love LastPass. Makes things so much more easy. All right. We do git status. It looks like we have pushed that up to GitHub, and if we refresh the page here, our initial repository is now up on GitHub. So that's going to cover it for this video. Our next video, we're actually going to dig in a little bit more, and we're going to start working on the migrations and Cedar files that we'll need for our blog, just to give us kind of like a like the backbone database that we'll need for this project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.